Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much. That's me. Thank you guys so much for joining in today. Today is the first event in my new studio. Today is my New York City studio edition shootout, and I'm waiting for both my photographers to come in, and my models are staggered. I have one for our morning segment, but it's really going to be afternoon. She gets here from 12 and she's here from 12 to 2. Then we have a 2 to 3 break so that we can all eat. And then we have another mama coming in from 3 to 5. So we have an all-day thing and I'm really excited about it. But this is a studio update. So we got the wall done. You guys already saw that. I got my lights in here, my 2 pieces. I do have placeholder chairs right now, but my couch will be here today. Yay. The mirror is up on the wall as you guys are able to see me in it already. My clothes rack is up, so we do have these beautiful pieces that we are going through today. You might not get through all of it for every mama, and that's totally fine. We do have a bag of fabric over here, so we are gonna get some beautiful tosses. I'm gonna continue to get behind the scenes the entire time. Both our moms said they were okay with it. Of course, we're not gonna do behind the scenes for anything that they do nude, but I will also put in here some of the finished products of like the photographers who come. We do have 2 beautiful women that are coming through. One is actually coming from out of town, so that's exciting. But right now I'm just waiting for them to get here, and then we'll start with maybe some seamless and then end with some textured, or maybe start with textured and end with seamless, however we feel like going. But I'm really excited, and I'm excited to take you guys along.